Uh, so multitasking. Multitasking is basically the ability of a computer to be able to run more than one instruction at a time. And it is used so that the most of the computer's resources can be used up, and then which will then save as much time as possible. Why is it important? So think about, for example, video games. So multitasking is important for the running of different programs at the same time, but also different threads in the same program. So when you think of a video game, uh, like for example, moving the player's object, playing music, updating your level, updating the health, all of those are factors that without multitasking wouldn't be possible. And that's why multitasking is important in this particular case, obviously. Also, if you're wanting to run multiple programs at the same time, it doesn't have to be all within the same program. It's also quite important. Um, However, there are disadvantages as well, but the advantages are time sharing, which is that each task is given a certain amount of time to be completed, and so there's no waiting time on the CPU. Multitasking allows your computer to run programs in the background, and also, like I said before, maximizes the use of computer resources. However, if you're running too many programs at the same time, this can cause limitations, or the limits. Yeah, this can be limited by your memory and your processor. Jeez, and so it will slow down your computer, and ultimately it can even cause the CPU to overheat, and so a cooling system may be required for a computer to do multitasking properly. Yeah, that was